Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Update WhatsApp on Android and create a fresh local backup, because Google Drive backups can't be read directly on iPhone. Next, install Move to iOS on the Android phone and factory, reset the iPhone, or use a new device so Move to iOS can run. Once done, open Move to iOS, follow pairing prompts, and select WhatsApp transfer. Make sure both phones are plugged in and on the same Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Once devices are paired using the on-screen code, choose WhatsApp in the Move to iOS data selection. This bundles chats, media, and settings into the transfer session. The Android app will prepare an encrypted archive and send it over the local connection. This can take time if you have large media. Do not interrupt or close Move to iOS. Make sure Android stays unlocked. When progress hits 100%, finish the iPhone setup and install WhatsApp from the App Store to proceed to restore. After installing WhatsApp on the iPhone, verify your phone number. The app detects the transferred archive and shows an import option. Tap Start to restore chats and media. Restoration may take additional minutes. Be patient while WhatsApp rebuilds indexes. If it fails, make sure you use the same phone number on both devices, confirm Move to iOS reported success, and that there was sufficient iPhone storage. As a troubleshooting tip, reboot both phones and rerun Move to iOS if the initial transfer was
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.